Good morning. Our stock in focus today is Hi-O Enterprise. JF Apex Research is maintaining its hold call on the counter and cutting its target price to RM2.13 from RM2.30 previously. Hi-O last closed at RM2.11. Quick recap, while its fourth quarter FY21 numbers were down quarter-on-quarter, on a year-on-year basis, earnings came in 17% higher at RM8.2 million, while revenue rose 24.4% to RM66.7 million. That boosted its full-year net profit to RM39.1 million and revenue to RM271.4 million. JF Apex says the FY21 earnings were within expectations, accounting for 94.4% of its estimates and 96.5% of the markets. The research house points out that Hi-O's stellar FY21 was spurred by massive growth in its MLM and wholesale segments, but it was challenging for its retail segment, which largely relied on its brick-and-mortar sales. Looking ahead, JF Apex says Hi-O is committed to its focus on proactive measures to mitigate business risks and strengthening its position as a premier healthcare player. The group is also hoping to register resilient growth as it banks on the rollout of the National Immunization Program to pave the way for the easing of current restrictions. However, JF Apex expects Hi-O's business to face a tough operating environment amid the resurgence of COVID-19 cases. It lowered its FY22 full-year earnings forecast by 7.6% to RM40.3 million and introduced a FY23 net earnings forecast of RM44.4 million with 10.2% year-on-year growth. So what's the consensus? According to Bloomberg, there are two holds on Hi-O, with the average target price at RM2.16. Hi-O closed at RM2.11.